Everyone must understand that today's topic is what we want to discuss. There is a certain interrelationship between plants and animals and microorganisms of every species on earth. These interrelationship that the natural balance is maintained. So, conservation is essential to maintain the balance of nature. If one species become extinct, the existence of other species is endangered. So let's talk about today's topic. In India, tiger reserves are subordinate under Tiger Project. It was basically launched in the country in the year April 1973 by the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in Palamute Tiger Reserve. It was done with the help of WWF on the basis of recommendation of a special task force of the Indian Board for Wildlife. Tiger reserves are administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority in NTCA. So, we'll take some information about NTCA. Tiger reserves are administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority. It was established in December 2005 following a recommendation of the Tiger Task Force. It is responsible for all the measures and action taken under the Tiger Project for the conservation of the tiger. It is conduct the country level assessment for the tiger status. The Tiger Project conduct every 4 years. It is the first time India, Bhutan, Nepal, and Bangladesh have come together to count the tiger population in 2018. Recently, NCTA launched an Android app with the name MStrips. Use of MStrips ecological application in Android mobile for collecting data on occupancy of tigers and other carnivores, prey density, habitat characteristics, and human disturbance parameters. A tiger reserve is demarcated on the basis of core buffer strategy, which includes core zone and buffer zone. Search paths for occupancy survey of carnivorous and megaherbivorous across the forest of tiger occupied states. The red color represents the search paths where tiger signs were recorded, while the blue color represents surveys where tiger signs were not recorded. The distribution of tiger signs detected areas provides a range map of tiger distribution in India for 2018 to 19. The lives of tigers are endangered. Today, due to human occupation of the forest, they are not able to roam freely and they are having difficulty finding their mates. Due to this, their species are almost extinct today. They need large enough forest to protect their species from extinction so that tiger can freely move around between different sites. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Government of India has described the Indian tiger population in 5 states and landscape of India. So we follow the chart. In 2006, Uttarakhand had 178 tigers. Now 422 increased to 2018. Therefore, it can be said that Shivalik Gangetic efforts have greatly increased the number of tigers. Madhya Pradesh in the central India and eastern Ghat to significantly increase the number of tigers. If you follow this chart, you will see that the number of tigers in Chhattisgarh and Orissa is declined in the central India and Eastern Ghat in 2018. Karnataka in Western Ghat landscape increased the number of tigers, but Goa in Western Ghat landscape decreased the number of tigers. In the Northeast Hills, Assam has improved from 2006 to 2018. But sad thing is that no tiger in Nagaland, Mizoram, Northwest Bengal in 2018. In the year 2006, where no tiger existed in the Sundarbans, this time 2018 stand at 88 tigers ahead for Tiger Reserve project. If we look at the occupancy basis, we can know the actual loss on tiger habitat. Shivalik has lost 904, Central India has lost 10,216, Western Ghat lost 5,524, Northeast lost 1,237. The Sundarban has no lost any occupancy. Moreover, we can say that the Shivalik Gangetic has increased from 297 to 646. Central India and Eastern Ghat has increased from 601 to 1033. Western Ghat has been from 402 to 981. Northeast East Hills and Brahmaputra has been 100 to 219. New tiger has been spotted in Sundarbans. There are now 88 tigers in the Sundarbans. This tiger project has been able to save endangered animal species. This chart shows the growth of tigers from 2006 to 2018. Tiger growth population increased in double in 12 years. Tiger growth of year shown by horizontally. The number of tigers has increased, it's shown vertically. This map of India shows tiger population density of its state from north to south and east to west. Square feet wise is shown. Where there are more tigers is high density. Where there are no tigers at all, there is low density. If it is less than high density, then it is moderate density. In this chart, we have highlighted the data of state-wise tiger population, where in all the states where the tiger population has increased and decreased is one of them. There are 30 in Bihar state, Uttarakhand 442 and Uttar Pradesh 173, Andhra Pradesh 48, Telangana 26, Chhattisgarh 19, Madhya Pradesh 526, Maharashtra 312, Rajasthan 69, Karnataka 524, Kerala 190, Tamil Nadu 264, Arunachal Pradesh 29, West Bengal 88, Orissa 28. So we see the picture and we gathered a new information that even as the tiger census brought in good news for nature lovers in the country, as the number of big cats more than doubled in India, their population in Orissa remained the same. There were 28 tigers in Orissa in 2014, which remained as it is in 2018. Orissa had 45 tigers in 2006, which came down to 32 in 2010. The survey of carried out every 4 years. Highest tiger population state Madhya Pradesh. There are 526 tiger in the state. Lowest tiger population state Goa. There are 3 tiger in the state. Please subscribe our channel because we will present you with more new information. Please don't forget to like and share. Please click the bell icon to receive our notification and lot of information.